morning, everybody. I want to explain a little bit about what's happening this week, and then we will have our quick lesson. Okay, today we are going to work on a definition concept map and a little comment of power on your Padlet today. I will explain that later. On Tuesday and Wednesday, your job is going to be a read aloud. Now you have some options for that read aloud. As you know, we have discussion as a team 1 to 2 on Tuesdays and 9:40 to 10:40 on Fridays. At both of those discussions, I am going to be doing the same read aloud. You would only need to attend once. If you want to come twice, great. We would love to have you, but I will be reading out loud and we'll be having discussion while I'm reading out loud. Now, that's two options. If we look right here, options for the read aloud this week. Okay, Tuesday, discussion 1 to 2. Friday, discussion 9:40 to 10:40. The third option is I will do it on Edpuzzle. You will not get the discussion component. You'll just have to fill in the questions as they pop up, just like on a normal mini lesson. Okay, I highly recommend you come for the discussion Tuesday or Friday. But if you can't make that work, Edpuzzle, if you want me to read aloud at some other time, please let me know and maybe I can make another small group. All right, Tuesday and Wednesday, I am blocking off for the read aloud. So that will be your work on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, we'll be doing a quick mini lesson on character, quick review of character. And on Friday I will be assigning an anticipation guide. Now, don't forget, we have our normal discussion, 9:40 to 10:40. Okay, so you would do the anticipation guide, and then if you didn't do the read aloud, either on Tuesday for the discussion or the Edpuzzle, please come for discussion on 9:40 to 10:40. It will not be late at all. I didn't want to break our routine of always having the discussion at those times, but that will be our team discussion. Okay, again, options for the read aloud that I am blocking off Tuesday and Wednesday for are discussion 1 to 2 on Tuesday, Friday discussion 9:40 to 10:40, or do the Edpuzzle sometime during the week. Okay, I will have the read aloud due on Friday so that you have that whole week. Okay, if you have questions regarding that, please let me know. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about power because the read aloud that we're going to be looking at deals with power. So I'm going to ask you today to fill in a definition concept map. Okay, this is similar. We did several of these in the classroom. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the same look to it, so I put the same ideas into a form. Okay, first and last name, what's the word you will be defining? You will put in the word power. Okay, now I believe we did one. The first example that I gave was on cheese, and I have that example at school. So I would fill in cheese there. You will fill in power. How would you define this word in your own words? And we talked about the possibility of going to the dictionary and looking it up and then kind of just putting it into your own words. You're going to define power. Cheese is, it's something that it's a food that we use milk. It's a way that we preserve our milk, right? And a lot of times we put it on our pizza. Sometimes we make grilled cheese. We add it to sandwiches. Sometimes we just eat it by itself. It comes in all kinds of textures and shapes, right? But it's a way that we preserve our milk. What are a couple of examples of this concept? Again, you're doing power. I'm doing cheese right now. A couple examples would be mozzarella, right? Colby, pepper jack, cottage cheese, cream cheese. Now, this is the part that we really worked hard on. What is this concept like, or what's this word like? You may provide more than one analogy. This is where we created analogies. Remember this? Power is like, and you have to compare it to something that's not like, right? Power is like a clock because, right? So cheese is like cheese is like elastic. Sometimes it's very stretchy, right? I'm thinking a nice gooey cheese on a pizza. All right. What else do you want to write or explain it? Analyzing or what else do you want to use to explain power? Okay? If you have questions on this, please feel free to contact me. Once you have that done, I'm going to ask that you go to the Padlet and you copy and paste your analogy. You copy and paste it and put it right here, and you are then done for the day. If you have questions, please feel free to contact me, text me. Some of you Snapchat me. You can email me. You can call me. If you want some time where you just want to meet with me, we can make that work. But I'm here for you. Please let me know how I can help. Have a wonderful day.